Hello, my name is Mitchell and I'm a representative of Tech Defenders, and today we're going to offer you some charging cable tips and how to recognize the health of your cable and your device's ability to charge. Imitation cables do not provide the proper protection for your devices nor their ability to charge. In fact, most imitation charging cables lack a series of chipsets designed to protect your device. Without that chipset, the cable does not communicate to the portion of the device that dumps a surge in the electrical current charging your device. Apple users should use charging cables that are MFI or MFI certified, which lets you know that the cable you're using has been authorized by Apple to charge your iOS device. Small, tiny, a lot of chipset, looks really neat. Bulky, large, cheap looking PCB board. This is the cheap one you don't want. The most notorious place for surges actually come from charging your device in your vehicle. If you are using a cigarette lighter port to charge up, most cigarette lighters can supply up to 10 amps, while most chargers use 1 to 3. A malfunctioning or damaged charger can provide inconsistent power to the device that can cause overheating, damage to the internal components, and on occasion, actually destroy the device. So, if you bought a cheap charging cable from the gas station or your grocery store, or got a hand-me-down from one of your friends, then we recommend retiring it or throwing it in the trash, because your device deserves the charger of its dreams to keep it running for years to come.